In this video, I will be giving you a tutorial on the basics of building a cat. In the previous video where I showed you how to make a dog, I told you where to get inspiration and materials for building a pet. If you haven't seen that, make sure you go watch it. Now, let's get into making a cat. Okay, so this is the cat that we are going to make. See, has the full qualities of a cat: tail, face, ears, legs, arms, all of that. Now, let's get to building. So, first things first, of course we want to go into build mode. So we're going to click this house and go to build mode. And then we will need to get a stool. So I'm going to go to decorate all and we can go to search. I'm going to type in stool. So remember, we're using basic, simple materials, so it's not super confusing, but it's very nice. Okay, so I'm going to use the plastic step stool, and we're just going to put that down. And I'm going to go to search again and type in box. So then I'm going to use this small box that's pink, and I'm going to turn it. We're going to go to our grid and make it a smaller one. Go to the 4x4 grid. And we're going to put this plastic box over here and another one there. And then we're going to do the same thing but on top. Okay, now we're going to need some ears. So I'm going to use a napkin holder. Then we're going to use this. We're just going to go change the grid again. Okay, so now we're going to turn it, rotate it, then go to the 4x4 grid and put the ear on the cat face. Perfect. So we're going to put one napkin holder on each side of the boxes. Now we're going to need the face. So for the face, I'm going to use a frame. So I'm going to type in frame, and I'm going to use a square photo frame that has the R on there for Roblox. And then I'm going to go to the 2x2 grid and rotate it so it's easier. And then to the 4x4 grid, and then I'm going to put this face against the boxes. Okay, so now it's time to color it. I don't know what I want to color it. So what do you think I should color it? I do like the color gray. I also like white. I think I'll do gray. Okay, so we're going to go here, click the stool for the paint palette, and then we're going to use this smoky gray color, and then we're going to go to the material and go type in wood. Going to select it. And this is our base body color. Then I'm going to take the soap boxes and I'm going to color those as well. I think I'm going to color them brown. Yes. I'm going to use this rust color and I'm going to type in wood again. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the other colors since there's two of them. Then I'm going to go to wood again. And we have our first box done. Now, we need to color all four of them. We don't want to do the whole thing again since that'll take way too long. So, this is a pro tip. Now, we have 4 boxes. And we click on the pink one that needs to be colored. Instead of, just choosing all the colors and materials and all of that stuff, we can just click on the thing that's already been colored once and watch this. Whoa!
Wow!
It's already colored! We just colored it by clicking it, and that took like a short amount of time. So now I'm going to do that with the rest of the boxes. Okay, so now I'm going to color the napkin holders. And for the napkin holders, I'm just going to color the white part, which is the napkin, and then I'm going to make it a smoky gray color. I'm going to use our little pro tip that I gave you guys, and click on it again. And then it's the same color. Okay, we have our cat. But that's not it. We need the tail. Duh. So, I'm going to type in napkin ring. No, we're going to type in napkin because napkin ring didn't work. So, type in napkin. And then we are going to rotate it to the size we want. And then put this on the back. The napkin ring should probably be the same color as the body. So, going to use our pro tip again and click it. And then we will use the gray. And perfect! Boom shakalaka! We have our cat! But we can't use this R as the face.
What?
That makes no sense. That's just weird. Like, come on. Hey guys, I'm a cat. And my face says R. So what we need to do is we're going to go out of build mode, click this little X, and then I'm going to go up to it. Go, 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 go. Okay, and then this is how it looks. So we're going to click this R, change picture, since this is a picture frame, and then we're going to type in cat face, and we can choose whatever face we want. Now, since I already made a cat beforehand, I already have the face I want up, so I'm going to use this little face, and I'm going to go back inside of build mode, and go change the color of this to the color of the boxes, and I'm going to use the pro tip that I gave you guys again, and click it. Perfect. So now, go out of build mode, and we have our little cute cat. What should I name it? I think I'm going to name it Bloxy, because you know, it's a blocks. Like it's made on blocks since it's in Bloxburg, and you know, like Roblox. Okay, anyways, I hope you guys liked my cat. Now remember, you can make this cat any color you want. Just remember to use your inspiration from like Google or Pinterest and use the cat picture that you liked and the color of that cat. Or maybe you have a cat at home and you want to make it in Bloxburg. That's super cool too. I want these cats to be close together, so I'm going to just click on the base of the cat, which is the step stool, and I'm going to click on the step stool, and I can move it however I want. And then I'm going to put them together, and we have two little cats. Oh, they're so cute. What's your name? I'm Bloxy. Hi, I'm Lily. Nice to meet you. Want to be friends? I would love that. Oh.